Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and yes I am up at 4 a.m. in the morning. Called myself taking a nap yesterday, and here I am, right? We got an awesome watch face for you all to check out today that's going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Now this is the light version of this watch face. Now you won't be able to tap into any of the shortcuts or anything like that, but do you really need to? But if you have to, they have a paid version for you all to check out as well. I will leave a link for that one too. Okay, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's check this watch face out. Now in the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look, the same design, the same exact look. And when the watch face is on, I like it. It has a luxury look and feel to it. Now you get a digital blended with analog, which looks beautiful. The guy did a really good job on the design of this watch face. Gives you everything that you need at a glance as well. Now I like what's going on around the index. You got this red look so far as the index is concerned, and you get the analog look as well. Now here's your minute hand, here's your hour hand blended into this awesome digital watch face, and your digital is going to be dead center, bold but yet nice. You got your month, your date, circled by the days of the week, highlighted in red to let you know exactly what day of the week it is. I'm telling you, this is an awesome look by this developer. Now you're going to get your steps for those of you all who need to keep up with your step status, miles walked or ran, battery info down at the bottom. Definitely, this is a good look for a weekend out, whether it be casual and or whether it be dressy. But at the end of the day, people, it is totally up to you. What do you think about this awesome watch face? All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button on the way out and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. All right, with that being said, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care and have a great day.